Namaste, my name is Shaurya Sachin Kachre and I am 11 years old. I live in the flat A206. I am in 5th grade and I study in Dhruv Global School. Tomorrow is the National Science Day. 20th Feb is celebrated to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by the national physicist Sir C.V. Raman. The discovery was that whenever light passes through a transparent material, some of the light changes in wavelength. This phenomenon was called as the Raman scattering. My topic for today is oxygen, our lifeline. As you all know, we have suffered 2 hard years with the pandemic of COVID-19. We have lost many of our loved and near ones due to the lack of oxygen cylinders, not only in this state or region, but the whole nation. It was not possible for the nation to supply all the oxygen cylinders to all the critical people out there. I want to bring to your attention how much oxygen is present in the atmosphere of Earth by the simple experiment which my grandfather taught me some time back. The materials for this experiment are some matchsticks, a candle, a plate of water and a tall glass. You have to put the candle in the water and burn it, and then after some time you have to put the glass on top of it. As you can see, the candle is burning with the help of all the oxygen molecules present around it. If there was no oxygen around it, the candle would not burn and even a matchstick would not light. Now let's see what will happen if we put a glass on top of it. So as you can see, the candle faded out because there was no oxygen left for it to consume and burn. So as you can see, the water level rise that much as the oxygen was in the glass for the candle to consume like a vacuum. So as you can see, the water level rise to about 20 to 21% approximately. So this concludes that the atmosphere contains nearly 21% of oxygen. Uses of oxygen are breathing. You need to breathe oxygen to survive. Another use is combustion, which is fire, and without oxygen any fire would not burn. Decomposition, this like whenever any food is decayed or decomposed, the process requires oxygen and releases water, carbon dioxide and heat. As you can see in this oxygen cycle, the oxygen level is maintained in this cycle. The red lines are for the carbon dioxide, the black lines are for the oxygen, and the blue lines is how the oxygen is maintained in the oxygen cycle. The producers of oxygen are phytoplankton is a type of microplants that are the most significant producers of oxygen. Like plants and trees, even sunlight reacts with water vapor to release oxygen. Did you know even the Earth's crust contains oxygen, but we can't breathe it because it comes in the combined form with other gases? Thank you for viewing my presentation. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Let's plant trees and save our future generations. Thank you.